Acquisitions aren't just about numbers, they're about people. While financials can be merged swiftly, cultural integration demands patience and care. Without it, even the best laid plans can crumble. In this video, we'll explore how leaders can foster cultural alignment post-acquisition, ensuring a seamless transition for everyone involved. Every organization boasts a unique identity, shaped by its values and traditions. Recognizing these differences is crucial for building trust. Avoid the pitfall of assuming cultures are identical. Such assumptions breed mistrust and hinder open dialogue. Employees need clarity on the future. Craft a shared vision that respects both organizations' strengths, offering a clear, inspiring direction. A simple, frequently communicated vision aligns teams, fostering a sense of shared purpose and direction. Cultural alignment isn't about erasing identities but blending them. Retain the best practices from both sides. Highlight stories and rituals from each organization to create a new, shared culture that everyone can embrace. Uncertainty breeds fear. Transparent communication is key to building trust. Share decisions and their rationale openly. Create channels for employees to voice concerns without judgment, fostering an environment of open dialogue and trust. Demonstrate the benefits of the new culture through joint projects and cross-company teams. These initiatives showcase the power of collaboration. Celebrate successes visibly to reinforce alignment and motivate teams to continue working together harmoniously. We've explored the importance of acknowledging differences, defining a shared vision, and blending cultures. These steps are crucial for successful integration. By building trust through transparent communication and celebrating shared wins, we pave the way for a harmonious cultural alignment. Take the first step by acknowledging cultural differences. Engage in open communication and celebrate shared successes. Together, we can create a harmonious and successful new culture. Let's embrace this journey and make it a reality. Remember, cultural alignment is a continuous process. Stay committed to fostering an inclusive environment where everyone feels valued. By doing so, you'll not only ensure a smooth transition but also unlock the full potential of your newly combined organization. Let's continue this journey together. Engage with your teams, listen actively, and celebrate every milestone along the way. Take action today. Start by acknowledging the unique cultures within your organization and work towards a unified, thriving future.